DIY project, that is making a handheld microphone with earphones. And also at last of in the end of the video, I will do an audio test of this microphone so that you will know the audio quality of this microphone. So let's get started.
Before getting started, please subscribe Quick Knowledge channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon beside it and select option all so that you will receive latest notifications and updates of this channel.
I made this innovative project of this handheld microphone with earphones with my own idea. Materials required for this is good quality earphones, cardboard roll. If you don't have cardboard roll, you can also use cardboard and roll it. Pen or pencil for support. Foam sponge. If you don't have foam sponge, you can also use cotton like how I used here. Sellotape, double tape, rubber bands and threads. So these things you need to for the making of procedure. Now let's get into how to make this handheld microphone. So now for this video, I'm not gonna disassemble this microphone, but I will explain you how to do it. So for that you need to take first a earphone. For this I have taken now Apple earphones. Next, when you see earphones, you may observe the microphone part in it. So here only the audio gets recorded. So what we are going to do is, we will take a pen or pencil. We are going to put like this. We will put like this. With stable you can also use double tape. And we will bond it with rubber band like this. So inside of it, that much only it is there. So I have taken like I have just stick all that earphone to that pen or pencil. Here you can see that pen, and after that you can also, this microphone part is there, no, you can also cover with it for sponge. If you don't have sponge like how I did, you can also cover with cotton, but make sure that when you cover it with cotton you should tie some threads and make it stable, because cotton has many fibers and they create some sort of noise disturbance in the audio. So after that, now you can see that after the whole assembly of that pen and the earphones with rubber band and double tape, I have covered this whole thing with this cardboard for protection. And also while covering with cardboard, you can cover it, you can take a roll. If you don't have roll, you can cover it, you can roll the cardboard and stick it. So I have stuck it with sellotape. But make sure that this hearing buds which are there, they face outwards. So because I will tell you the use of it, you can also make calls with it. Next, at the bottom, I had made a small hole with the cardboard and stuck it so that the wire comes out like this. So this is the microphone, how to make. The procedure I told you how to make. If you have any queries regarding this process of making this microphone, just don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Now let's begin the audio test. Now you are hearing the audio from handheld microphone which I explained how to make now. It is 3 inches away from me. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. Now it is about 10 inches away from me and you can hear the audio from handheld microphone. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. So now you are hearing the audio from my Bluetooth neckband HBS 730 which I use in my videos. So now you can check the difference between the handheld microphone what I made and also this Bluetooth neckband and judge the audio quality of these both microphones. Hope you heard the audio test. I also tested this Bluetooth mic also and this mic also. So what are the uses of this handheld microphone is that first point, you can use this for singing purposes and also you can use this for voiceover if you want to give any voiceover for your videos. Second use, if you want to use like if it is far away from you, make sure that where you are recording the room is silent, so that if you are recording far it will catch all noises. So close recording is suitable for this microphone. Next, this microphone can also be used for vlogging. So this handheld microphone is that you can also attend calls. Like you can connect this wire to your mobile phone. After connecting this wire to the mobile phone, I told you in the procedure of making to keep this hearing buds outside, so that like this you can place your this handheld microphone, and this microphone will help your audio to go to that caller, and also you can hear the call from this ear like this. So these are the uses of this microphone, and also it is very portable and easy to carry, and also you can also carry it in a small bag or also in a small box. So this is all about how to make a handheld microphone. If you have any doubts in the procedure of making this handheld microphone, please ask in the comment section below, and also please tell your opinion on this audio quality of this microphone in the comment section below. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends so that they may also get the knowledge about it. And also please subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you. Stay tuned to Quick Knowledge.